Welcome back to Cars and Things Restos. Well, we've been sent another little gift from MaXpeedingRods. They've sent us out something here. We're going to do a bit of an unboxing, have a look at it, and then we're going to come up with a plan. Let's have a look. See what we got in here. So, as you know, MaXpeeding jumped on board. They're helping us out. MaXpeedingRods. They've sent us a coilover kit, which we put in the stator, which we're very happy with. And they have sent us... Oh, that's a cool looking sticker. I wonder if we should put that on the... I might do that. Might put that on the back of the stator. Here it is. Oh, it is on little turbine. Let's have a look at it. Little turbo they've sent us. Not sure what we're going to put it on yet. It's actually their brand. So, ooh, looks pretty cool. Here it is. That looks pretty cool little setup. So here it is, our MaXpeedingRods Turbo. It's a GT35, I think they call it. Let's get some info out on it. So what do we got in here? Here it is. I'm not a turbo guy, but you know what? There's always a first for everything, so we might as well. We've got one now. They've thrown us one, so we might as well do something with it. We just got to work out what we're going to do with it. We don't know yet. Let's have a look. Oh, that's troubleshooting. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's a GT35. I'm not sure what that means, guys. As I said, I'm not a turbo guy. I'm a roots blower guy. But I'm sure we can sort it out and work it out and see what we can put it on. But it looks pretty sweet. It's pretty cool looking, actually. Very impressed. Very impressed indeed. I don't know if it's big, small or what. I think, get me verniers. Inlet 60 mil. That's 50 mil. I'm not sure what the 35 stands for, GT35. Our exhaust flange or outlet 73 mil and our inlet 57. There you go. Well, there we are. Something special they've sent us as a little gift. As I said, we're not sure what we're going to do with it at this stage, but obviously we're going to do a turbo build now on something. We just need to work out on what. We do have the VL Commodore that we could do. We did want to put a V8 in that, but I don't know. We do have the AU Falcon. We have Mix AU Falcon that we could stick it on. We do have a Barra. We could put it on and put the Barra in the AU. We've got a few options. Not sure what we'll do. I have to have a talk to Mick. But there you are. Thank you again to MaXpeedingRods. Absolutely wrapped you to come on board. So there's a few other things we've got to get. I want to get another alternator. They've got them in stock. There's a lot of LS stuff they do. There's a lot of everything they do. You need to jump on their website. Have a look. They've got a lot of things. You've got control arms, compressors, turbochargers, con rods or H-beam rods. There's a lot on there. So jump on, check them out. and get your stuff from them. And don't forget, when you go in there, put in the discount code of CARS1 and you'll get 10% discount, which helps you guys out, and then they help us out. So again, thank you, MaXpeedingRods. Absolutely wrap with yous. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Upstato's got a new sticker. MaXpeedingRods. Get on their site, buy your gear, discount code of CARS1. 10% off. Get on there, get your stuff, help us out.